Who's a turtle? What is it? I think that one is the biggest. I'm gonna check this one. Nope.
More fish. There's more fish down there. Look at that blue one down at the bottom. Like he's a dark blue. Beautiful. Another waterfall. Another pond. Got turtle in there swimming. Turtle right there, the little turtle. You see his little head right there.